Yeah, it's like shaking the tree again and bringing new faces. They bring new excitement, new energy as well. We signed very important players as well, and again, I think everybody feels like the heights has to go again to a different level, and what we're seeking. Well, they are fully convinced. The good thing is I don't have to convince them. They know how good they are and how close we've been. And yet, at the end, it's those details, those ages that make you make the next step, which we all want, and just working on them, realizes where they are, the basic things that we need to have throughout the season to put ourselves in the best competitive opportunities and chances to have the biggest probability to achieve our goals. And that's a daily work. That's a responsibility in each individual as well, and excitement as well. It was a long, long process, and as you said as well, he had a lot of opportunities to decide whether he wanted to come, and the good news is that this club is amazing. You know, when everybody wants to come to it, and he left some very good opportunities to come to us, and very impressive. I think we are all very impressed with what we've seen in the last 7 to 10 days, because once you have the player daily there and you see his character, you see his personality, his intelligence, and how much it's going to bring to the team, very excited about it. Well, I think the club was very clear in its statement. There are a lot of legal matters that are very complicated, so I cannot comment on any of them.
I appreciate that, but a lot of fans have questions over the way in which the matter was handled by the club. Do you feel confident and comfortable that the club followed all the right processes in that?
100%, yeah. Well, a big season for him. He looks very, very excited. We know that one of the biggest things we have to achieve this season is availability. It's true that the main two injuries that he had were in international duty while he was playing with Italy, but these things can happen, and now we want a player that consistently is available and performing at the level that he can do, because he brings an energy and unpredictability to the team that we're really going to need it, and it was certainly missed for a big part of last season. So hopefully that second season, with more understanding, a bit of more luck as well, which I think he will need as well, we can see a great version of him.